50% ay napunta sa importer. So yun po ang hatian nung 7.37 na sinasabi po ng NEDA. So nakakalungkot po.
I don't know whether you can impose a clawback provision for this.
That's why I wanted to ask, sir, magkano bang buwis na binayad ninyo? Maybe we can ask all of them to submit their tax returns.
Let's see if there's an innovative way of having a clawback. But anyway, at this point, I'm really sorry, but I have to. We have a minority around, and she.
Mr. Chairman, just very short, just with the indulgence of Congresswoman Castro.
Yeah.
If I may. Thank you, Mr. Chair. Very short lang ito. Kasi hindi ako makamove on dun sa this year lang siya nagumpisa, si King B. And yet, ang transaction siya is worth 1 billion.
Well,
1.2 billion. Let me remind you, Mr. King B, you're under oath, no? Totoo bang ngayong taong ka lang nagumpisa na mag-import ng bigas?
Apo, Your Honor. Ngayon lang taon po talaga.
Okay. Are you in any way connected sa G4?
No.
You're not connected with G4?
Hindi po, Your Honor.
Sigurado ka ha? You are under oath,
Apo, Your Honor.
Mr. King B. So, gusto ko lang malaman kasi, Mr. Chair, sa dami ng importers, mukhang natatangi lamang ito si Mr. King B. I'm not questioning baka sakaling swerte ka lang, no? Kaya ikaw siguro ang pinakamalakas dito sa lahat na nag-i-import. But there's a question hanging on my head, Mr. Chair, on the issue, why was he able to get that much importation permits? Being a first-time player in the industry. Now, I will direct the question later on to Mr. Panganiban after Congresswoman Castro if I be given another chance, Mr. Chair.
Chairman.
And also, I noticed, Mr. Chair, in the documents that we have, wala hong sinubmit si Mr. King B. Did you submit your GIS, Mr. King B?
ano nangyari sa GIS?
Your Honor.
Yung King B meron, no? Yung G4, wala kang sinubmit? Sa G4 na GIS, wala kang sinubmit? Oo, ikaw. Bakit wala kang sinubmit?
Hindi naman po connected sa G4.
Yun. That's what I want to hear, Mr. Chair. So, Mr. Chair, if given another chance later, I would like to ask the Chair to allow me to propound questions later on to Mr. Panganiban. Thank you, Mr. Chair, for that short interview.
Thank you.
Chairman, just to follow up, isa lang po. I just have to ask King B. Doon po sa tanong ni Chairman Barbers. Pwede po? Isa lang.
Yes, sir.
Sir, ganito po. Sabi mo ko po, first time. Di ba? Itong 2024 ko lang pumasok sa importation.
Yes, Your Honor.
So, yung King B.
Apo, Your Honor.
But previously,
Wala po, Your
sa
Honor.
ibang company, wala.
Wala po.
So, you own King B.
Yes, Opo.
Kailan po naitayo yung King B?
Bali, nagka-permit po kami ng...
No, permit sa SEC.
Your Honor.
Securities and Exchange Commission. Kailan po?
2022 po, Your Honor. March
2022 to 2023, this is the first time na nakapag-import ka.
Yes, Your Honor.
Previously, ano yung business ng King B? 2023, 22, 23, ano yung business niya?
Bumibili lang po ako sa labas, Your Honor.
Sorry?
Sa rice industry din po ako, pero bumibili lang po ako sa ibang ano.
Bumibili ka sa lokal?
Local po.
Sa local?
Ibang market, ibang imported rice din po, Your Honor.
Bumibili ka sa lokal, saka sa
Imported.
importer.
Opo.
Sino yung importer the time?
Doon din lang po sa loob ng...
Sino nga?
Marami po kasi yun eh. Kung saan,
Sino nga marami?
hindi ko na po tanda ito, Your Honor.
Ayan ka na naman, di mo na mamatandaan.
Marami po kasi binibilan, ako na po kasi, yung...
Isa lang. Kasi marami, sabi mo, isa lang.
I will check po, Your Honor.
Ayun ka na naman, I will check. The data being asked you, kanina pa po, pati yung yung profit mo, yung kita mo, i-submit before the hearing ends.
I will check, Your Honor po. I will check, Your Honor.
Before the hearing ends. Pati yung isang importer na sinasabi mong kinukunan mo.
Yes, Your Honor.
Wala ba dito sa...
Wala po, Your Honor.
Wala dito.
I will check po, Your Honor. Record.
So please, before the hearing ends,
Oh,
thank you, Chairman.
I just want to put a point of observation. Sir, kay King B, you mentioned that sorry, with the indulgence of Juan Castro, because this is something that we saw I think I heard in the transcript a while ago. Before this, ay bumibili lang po kayo local? Tama po ba?
Yes, Your Honor. Local,
Ano po yung nasabi niyo a few minutes ago, or I think nung nag-interpolate tayo na you mentioned na no operations kayo?
sorry po, Your Honor.
I think I don't know if we could look into the transcript. You mentioned that you were not operating from before this year. Tama po ba?
Wala po.
You have no operation.
Nagkamali lang po kayo. Wala po.
Could you clarify what do you mean by no operations?
Sorry po.
No. Sorry. Could you clarify what do you mean by no operations kayo nun?
Totally wala po talaga. This January lang po ako nag-start.
So nung tinanong ni Congressman Paduano na what were you doing nung 2022, 2023, sabi niyo po, bumibili kayo sa local. Tapos now you're saying no operation. So ano po talaga? Please remember you're under oath.
Ano po, ang ibang negosyo po namin, supermarket po, at saka tracking lang.
So why did you say na no operations kayo?
Under po ng King B, sir. No operation under King B.
So what were you operating as under before?
Other company po ng supermarket lang, grocery store po, sir.
Under what name po?
Gabe Supermarket po. Ano lang, sir, normal, parang
Sir,
pangalan lang po ng
under the BPI list of importers, you were listed in 2022.
Opo, sir, naka-registered po yan, pero not operated po.
I don't know what to do with you, but I am a very forgiving person. We want to get to the truth, but more primordial is really to bring prices down and to preempt any further dysfunction in the food markets of this country. So, pasensya ka na muna.
Mr. Chair.
I have to cut you down because I want to hear Franz Castro.